Dhananjay, and I have close to 15 years of experience in an aviation public sector company. Presently, I am at the middle level in my company, middle management level. So, to start with, around 1 year back, I was facing few troubles. Like I was not satisfied with my life. There was no excitement. It was boring, and I was not knowing where I am going, where I am heading to. I was into an unknown thing. Means something is happening, but why it is happening, what I am doing, why I am doing. All these questions were unanswered for me. My stress level had started increasing. I had become short-tempered, and I had frequent burst outs at the workplace as well as in home. Then I had one problem that I could not understand the hidden meanings. Means what the words that is unsaid. People say something but they mean something else. In other words, we can say read between the lines. So that was becoming a trouble for me, because I could not understand really what is happening in and around me, including my home, office, friend circle, and that was adding to the stress level. So in the meantime, I came in contact with Vijay sir through one of the book reading clubs, and then my coaching journey started with him. So after going through the coaching journey, I got immensely benefit. After the coaching sessions, so many coaching sessions, now at present day, if you say, I know what are my strengths and weaknesses. And it's knowing is important, but further we should also know that what are the weaknesses where we have to work upon, and what are the weaknesses that we should just leave it. That was the starting point. So I have improved upon my weakness to so much extent, and it's an ongoing process, so it keeps on improving. There is always a chance of improvement every stage. So after this, I could decide upon what will be my short-term goals and long-term goals, and I could understand the people who are in and around me. I could make out what are their strengths and weaknesses. I could make out what are their human drives. And this particular thing has helped me to bring my stress level down and understand and read between the lines. What people are saying, what do they mean, and under such circumstances, if somebody is behaving like this, why he is behaving like this, and what actions I have to take so that I am efficient and my target goals at workplace, with the friends, at home front does not get impacted. Well, it takes lots of practice and a conscious effort, but yes, I am able to understand, I am able to go ahead, and because of coaching from Vijay sir, it has given me immense confidence. My stress levels are down. I am more happy now. But as said earlier, there is always a scope, and that improvement, ongoing process, keeps on happening.